everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. Well, today I have a Shop Miss A haul for you guys. This is my second order with them, and it comes like this, nicely bubble wrapped like before. I placed in another order with them because I had been checking their website for those shadows that I had shown in my previous Shop Miss A, and they were always out of stock. And then one night I was just laying there and started browsing the website, and I noticed some of the shadows came back in stock. So I jumped on it. I wanted to also include in that order my favorite AOA Studio or AOA eyebrow pencil. I wanted to add that, and I didn't. I placed the order, and then once the order went through, I was like, oh my gosh, I wanted to, because that's my absolute favorite, and you know, I might as well order that as I order from Shop Miss A, you know, might as well, but I didn't do it. I'm sure I'll place in another order, and I'll remember to add that eyebrow pencil. This order is really not big at all. It was just the shadows, and then I went ahead and ordered another palette, and I'm going to show all that. But honestly, this is a very, very small order, nothing big. But I did order these Whirly blender holders, and I'm going to go ahead and open one of them up. I did order two, and one is going to be for my mom. And it just looks like this. It's just a rose gold copper springy little thing. And let me get my blender. Hold on, let me get mine. So here is the, I used it today, guys, so it's dirty. Oh, look, a little shiny there. Anyway, I used it today. So this is the AOA Wonder blender. Yeah. So, and it's still wet, and so it's a little bit big, but you just basically drop it in there. That's so neat. That's really, really neat. So I got two in the same color. I got them in the same color. So one's going to be for my mom, and now she'll have somewhere to store her blender. I'm going to talk about this at the end of this haul, so I'm going to give you my impressions, my thoughts on it, because I've been using it now for a couple of days, and I do have some thoughts on it. Okay, here are the shadows. The only other thing I ordered were these shadows. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 shadows is what I ordered. I know 2 are dupes. When I was looking through the website, it was like around 11:30, 12 o'clock at night. And I was just ready to go to sleep, you know, and I was going through some things for my store, and I thought, oh, let me just check Shop Miss A and see if they have them. And they did, and I did get up to go see if I had some of the shadows, because I didn't want to get repeats, but I did want to get the one that came broken last time. I wanted to get that one, and for $1, you know, I don't mind paying another $1. Even though I've been hearing, Kathy said that they have Kathy from No Guts, No Glory, she said they have great customer service, so I might still reach out to them and see. I did try my best to get up and look through the shadows and make sure that I didn't get repeats, and I did get one repeat that I know of, and maybe there's more, I don't know. Anyways, but eventually I want to do a get ready with me, and maybe I'll even do a small review on these shadows and let you know what I really think about them as I use them. Okay, so one that I got was Flamenco. I don't know why I feel like I got this one already, but I have looked up and down, so I'm going to review my last Shop Miss A haul, and I'll put it here if I did have this one already. But this one is Flamenco. And then we have this one called Perfect. That one. Did I show you this one okay? I hope I did. This is a shimmery color. This has shimmer to it. There you go. That's perfect shot right there. Shimmer to that one. Flamenco. And then this one is, like I said, this one's called Perfect. There you go. Then I got this one called Adorbs. There you go. And let me see that one here. I don't know if I have that one. No. And then I got terracotta. Terracotta. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is such a gorgeous color. I picked up this one called Ruffle. Ruffle. And Ruffle is one that I already had. So I have Ruffle. So there's one that for sure I already had. And then I ordered, let's see, Intuition. Intuition. There we go. Really pretty shimmery shade, Intuition. This is the one I'm really excited about, believe it or not. This one is called Sultry. Really excited to have gotten this one. It's a very nice transition shade. I do think this one is going to be really nice for transition, or even if it's buildable, it would be really nice for the crease. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this one out because I really am interested in this one here. Let's see. Oh my God. Look at that. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And yeah, it's a really good transition shade. You can barely see it, but on my eyelid, I know it's going to come out good for transition. So, ooh, this is the one I wanted, and I kept checking, and finally it came in. So that one was Sultry. So glad that I got that one. All right, now this one here I already have. This one is called Limit. And I already have this one. So I'm gonna keep that in here. And Limit is in this palette from the last haul I did. Right there. That's Limit. Let me make sure. But I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Limit. So let me swatch it. Really nice, guys. Really, really nice. They swatch so nice. So nice. So far, Limit and Ruffle are repeats, so I'm going to put these to the side. Put those to the side. Like I said, it was so late at night, and I tried my best and to, you know, put what's in the cart, and oh my God, it was such a mess, but it's okay, it's okay. Now this one I know is, this is the one that broke, that came broken, and it's fine now, but this one is Swoon. It's just a nice chocolate color, really nice. So got this one again. Then I got this one here called Starlit, and I don't think I have Starlit. Let me check, because there is one that looks really similar. No, this one is called Polished. This is the one I hauled last time. This is Polished, okay? And so this is Starlit. It's a little bit different. A little bit, yeah. This one is definitely more whiter. This is more white. But there's that. And then I picked up Crown. I got Crown. It's really beautiful gold color. Really pretty gold. Look at that. Gorgeous. I gotta swatch this one. Got to. Little patchy. But let's see. No, really, really nice so far on my hand. Right there. So far, so good. Okay, and then I picked up this one called Fuzz. Look at that beautiful color. Look at that shimmer. Gorgeous. 3 more. And I was really excited to get this one. Now, grays and blues and things like that. But wow, this has a dual chrome to it. This one is called Sensation. Sensation. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's swatch this one. Should we swatch it? Okay, there we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Right there. Okay, and then I picked up this one called Wonderland. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wonderland. Gotta swatch this one too, guys. Gotta swatch this one. I know, I'm making a long video. Oh, this is so creamy. So creamy. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. And finally, and I do need, what did I do with my, let me get a wipe here. And then I picked this one up. Very excited about this one too. This one's called Exotic. Whoa. Put that back in there. There we go. Look at that. It's like a green yellow, or more yellow green. It has a hint of green. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Super, super smooth. I know. Little splotchy, little splotchy. Yellows tend to be that way, huh? But, oh, but look at that. Two coats of that. Look at that. I bet you on the eye with some primer, I think we'll be good. So those are the shadows that I picked up. I'm really, really excited about it. And I went ahead and picked up this palette. But look at this palette. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's a cardboard, thick cardboard. And it does come with a mirror, guys. Mirror. And this is all magnetic right here. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and put these shadows in here and then I'll be right back. So I put it in, and then I had the two extra shadows that I had hauled previously that I ordered in singles, and I just put those in here as well. But here it is. There they are. There they are. And the names are on the back of these. The back of the actual shadow. So they're right here. They have a number, and then they'll have their name. And then, like I said, this is the other one that I purchased last time. This one here. And what should have went here was this swoon, actually. This one. That one. The swoon. Chocolate. That's what I ordered last time. Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to keep checking the website because I could still fill in some more. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the names of everything I have, put them in my phone so that this way, if it's late at night again, and I'll have what I know what I'll have and not to reorder. All right, now let's talk about this really, really quickly. The AOA Studio Sponge. It's still pretty wet, and I used it earlier this morning. I've been recording. This is like my third video recording. So let me just tell you, I've been using it, and for me, every time I use my brushes or sponges, they get washed that same day. So it's a constant washing. As far as it being a dupe to a complete dupe to the Beauty Blender, I don't think it's like a complete dupe. I even think it's, at least this one is shaped a little bit different. This is a little bit more flat, where the Beauty Blender really comes in rounder. This is more flat, but that's fine with me. That's okay. That's fine. The other thing I noticed with this one here as well is that this one here takes in more water, which is a good thing actually for me. Okay, so like with the Beauty Blender, when I use that one, I put my makeup on and then I'm putting other products on, shadows or whatever, and I'll use it to maybe touch up somewhere. It gets pretty much dry. Within like 10 minutes, it's drying. So I always have to spray MAC Fix Plus or something like that. I'll spray it a little bit. This one here, this will stay wet all day. This thing does not dry up quickly. It is soft. It's not as soft. It's not as cushiony, but it is very, very soft. And for $1, I'm telling you what, guys, it will do. I know with the Beauty Blender, guys, that I can use that for a long time and it does not tear, it does not rip. I'm not very harsh when it comes to cleaning my brushes and sponges. I do treat them pretty gently. And so far that I can see, I don't see any tears in this one. So far, I don't see any tears. I bought the Eco Tools for Christmas, a little bit before Christmas. I remember because I gifted one to my daughter for under stocking stuffer, and then I bought one for myself. I have it right here. I'll show you here in a minute. And then I gifted one. I actually gifted one, and I opened up mine right away and I used it, and within 2 washes, this happened. and I haven't used it since. Within 2 washes, I got this. This is what I got. And again, I'm not terribly rough with them when I clean them. I'm not. I mean, I do scrape, you know, rub them, but I'm not harsh with them. And this one, almost like the second or third time that I used it, this happened, and I just stopped using it. I mean, I have it because I can still get some wear out of it. I definitely can, but it did not last me. It didn't last me at all, anything. This one so far, it's going good. It's going good. I don't see any rips or tears. Like I said, with the Beauty Blender, that thing lasts a long time with me. But it is good, and it gets really big. It's getting smaller now, but this thing almost triples in sizes. You know, it does. So I'm going to try another one. One of my subscribers recommended to try the Paw Paw one. Yeah, and so I'm going to go back on there, and I'm going to put that in my cart, and then I'm also going to put my eyebrow pencil, the AOA eyebrow pencil in brown in my cart, to make sure that I order that next time. And then when I'm ready to place another order, I'll put those, you know, I'll buy those 2 items. But yeah, and then I like this little holder. That's cute. It's really, really good because it, you know, lends in air, so it'll help with the drying process. So far, guys, I really like that. It's really, really good. Really, really good. I really do like that. I'll let you know how long it lasts, and I'll come back up and update you guys with that as I use it more. All right, my friends, that's it. That's it. My dogs are barking because my husband's home. I will let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, if you guys want to see any of these shadows in action, if you want to see me do a get ready with me with any of the shadows, just put it down below. Put down the name. If you want to see all of them swatch, I can do a dedicated video for you guys for just those shadows, and I can swatch them all for you. Or do a get ready with me with any one of these shadows. Just let me know. I did give the names to the shadows, so just put it down below, and I can do that. I can absolutely do that. Yeah, and I'm going to keep looking on Shop Miss Saint for these shadows, but here's the other one. I'll link the video to my first Shop Miss Saint order or haul for you guys. I will link that down below, so if you guys want to check out these shadows, these are all in that haul. All right, my friends, that's it. I will let you guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day or a night, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Okay, bye.